Hello. This video introduces 5 profitable products for your dropshipping business. The first potential product is the Sport Wrist Water Bottle. Many videos about this item have considerable views on TikTok. More than 200,000 viewers have watched this video. Its novel design, different from traditional sports cups, arouses heated discussions in the comment area, indicating its ideal market potential. The unique wrist strap design ensures easy accessibility and hands-free hydration while doing sports, receiving great popularity from fitness enthusiasts and athletes. The next one is the rolling grilling baskets. Many users have shared videos of their experiences with this grill basket on TikTok, sparking lively discussions in the comment section, where most individuals have expressed approval for this innovative product, showing this product has great sales potential in the market. On the Amazon platform, customer feedback has been overwhelmingly positive as the demand for convenient and versatile outdoor cooking tools continues to rise. These baskets stand out due to their safe, large capacity and multifunctional design, catering to diverse grilling needs and personal preferences. It can be washed with the dishwasher, tackling the issue of oil stains effectively. The third potential one is the foldable silicone travel bottle. There are many videos of folding water cups similar to the one we recommended posted on TikTok. A recent video has 18,000 likes, and the comment section is filled with messages asking for the link to the same mall. This foldable design minimizes space usage, and the BPA-free silicone material ensures safety for various liquids, which aligns perfectly with consumer preferences. The price is $12.36. You can retain higher sales margins with SourcinBox. Look at the fourth one, the foldable beach chair. There are many videos about this item that get high views on TikTok. Please look at this video, has 2,000 likes and many reviews expressing purchase intention, showing a robust market potential to sell. Its portable design and waterproof material suit all occasions, making it an excellent choice for campers and beachgoers. Its durable construction, comfortable seating, and adjustable backrest flawlessly cater to consumers' needs for both convenience and comfort. Don't miss this potential item. The last product to recommend is the Sushi Making Kit. There are many trending videos about sushi making kits on TikTok, some of which have gained 1 million views. This recently released video has over 90,000 likes, and many people have left messages asking about the price and purchase link. The comprehensive set of tools crafted from food-grade material appeals to food enthusiasts and DIY enthusiasts. Sushi making can also become a delightful parent-child activity that fosters children's hands-on skills, making families with children a viable sales target group.